and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another episode of James DIY Garage. I'm James, and this is my Maserati Ghibli SQ4. It's year 2014. Today, this video is going to be kind of short because all I'm going to be doing is introducing my new toy and announcing some future videos coming up. So, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to click that bell so you'll be notified when those future videos that I'm getting ready to announce come out. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to demonstrate my new toy. Behold. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have got myself a lift. It is a QuickJack 7000 EXT. It will pick up my wife's Jeep Grand Cherokee as well as my Maserati SQ4 here. It's got two levels. I just passed the first level. The highest level is coming up here. What's good about this jack is if I leave for a long extended period of time, aside from plugging in the battery tender, I can leave the car jacked up here. So as I was saying, what's good about this lift, QuickJack, is that I can leave it on the jack if I go away for an extended period of time, as well as connect the battery tender up. I can also clean all four of my rims at the same time. And getting underneath the car, with the crawler even, is not a problem. With this new jack, I will be able to do one of the new videos that I'm going to announce shortly. Again, I'd like to thank you so much for watching. These are the new future videos that I have coming out. I'll be doing one of them at a time. One video coming out is, I don't know what order I'm going to do them in, but I'm going to be doing a video on this. We all know what this is. This is a transmission oil cover with the filter and the hardware. So yes, I'm going to be doing a transmission oil change on my Maserati Ghibli. I've got all the oil right here. And that is why the jack was required. The car has to be level when you do your transmission oil change. So I needed to get this if I wanted to do my own transmission oil change. You can do it cheaper ways. You can put it up on ramps, which is a lot safer, but you'd have to buy 4 ramps. Then jack the car up each side. If you only have one floor jack, just lift the ramp underneath, let it down on that. You could do it that way as long as the car is level. I like the QuickJack because I can put it in gear, with no fear of the car actually sliding off the ramps. The wheels suddenly engage. I'm not going to go anywhere because the tires are free spinning. They're off the ground. So, because one of the steps in changing the transmission fluid is you have to put it in gear to allow the transmission fluid to be circulated throughout the transmission. You got to do it in reverse, drive. You got to get the RPM up to 2,000. I'll go over all that in the transmission fluid change video. Another video that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be replacing the brake pads on all sides. I've got the rear brake pads right here. I don't need to change the rear rotors. Those are still good. I got the front pads here, and I've got front rotors here. These need to be changed because my front rotors are they're very close. So I'm going to go ahead and change them. I got new rotors right here. That's another video I'm going to be doing. And one other video I'm going to be doing is an oil change, but I'm going to be doing it just a little bit different. I'm going to use this. I got this on Amazon. I forget how much I got it. It was cheap. But it's got the oil dipstick hose, so that you can stick it down in the oil through the dipstick and siphon the oil out. I'm going to do it that way because if you watch my last video, my last oil change, it got messy. As a matter of fact, I put that in the trailer on the front page of my channel. So it got messy. Made a mess all over the place. So I'm going to do it this way. We drain as much of the fluid out as I can using that. Then I'll go underneath and pull the drain plug and let the rest drain out if there is any. We'll find out in that video if this actually gets it all out. We will find out. I've read on the Maserati Facebook groups, this is supposed to get it all out. Some people say no, it doesn't. Well, I'm going to demonstrate it. Also, another future video coming out is my wife changing the oil on her Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yes, she's going to do it. That's going to be an interesting video. My wife, there's probably going to be some yelling, but it's going to be funny. Y'all are going to laugh. So that's another video coming up. There will probably be some additional wine run videos. We have more videos with Eric. Eric has a, I forget what year it is, but it's a red Chevy Silverado. This thing is sick. It's got a 650 horsepower engine in it. He's got that thing supercharged. And he gave me a ride in it, and that's scary. It is scary. It's because it's rear-wheel drive, and when he guns it, he just loses. And I mean, this rear-wheel drive, we're going like this. It's pretty scary. I've got video footage of that, as a matter of fact. And I've got a video of Eric showing his truck off. Another video coming out is Eric is going to be doing donuts. He wants to do some donuts and show off his the tune, the JB4 tune that he got on his car. He wants to demonstrate how it performs. So he wants he's going to do some donuts, some spin outs, and show us some neat stuff. So those are some samples of some future videos that I have that's coming out. Please don't forget to click that bell so you're notified of those videos. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And click the like button if you like this video. Well, click the like button even if you don't like this video. Please leave comments. I'd like to know what you think of my jack. I'd like to know what you think of the videos that I'm going to be doing. Let me know what your thoughts, opinions, concerns, questions in the comments below. And thank you for watching.